बी सोशली कॉन्शियस, एनवायरमेंटली रिस्पॉन्सिबल, क्योंकि क्या पता कल हो ना हो। इस साल कुछ ऐसे ही एक्टर्स आए जो पहले ही फिल्म से इंडियन सिनेमा के सितारे बन गए, एंड नाउ इट्स टाइम टू सेलिब्रेट देयर नेचुरल एंड जेन्युइन टैलेंट।
To give away this special Nexa IFA award for debut, we would like to invite on stage the dashing Shahid Kapoor.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Ayushman, Apar Shakti doing a great job.
Thank you.
Fantastic. The next IFA award for the best debutant male goes to Ishan Khattar for Dhadak.
Whoa! What a moment, guys! What a moment!
Go for it, man.
Whoa, whoa! Ladies and gentlemen, Ishan Khattar!
Oh man, thank you so much. Thank you, Apar bhai. Thank you, Ayush bhai. Thank you, IFA. Thank you so much for giving me this award and more so for giving me this moment. As far as I know, 15 years ago, my brother, who's 15 years older than me, won his first IFA award, and here I am today receiving mine from his hands. This is truly special. I have a lot of people to thank. I have to start with you, bhai. I've always looked up to you, and you've always been my idol, and I don't think I can ever replace what you've given me, but I hope I can make you smile like this always. I love you, bhai. I have a host of people to thank. Majid Majidi sir, Karan Johar sir, who is the biggest of filmmakers and the cleverest of minds. I am ever so indebted to you for giving me this chance. Shashank Khaitan, who I've learned so much from and is like a big brother to me. And the cast and crew of both my films. Thank you so much.
अरे ऐसे नहीं जा सकते यार ईशान एंड शाहिद। झिंगाट मोमेंट तो यहाँ पे बनता है।
बिल्कुल, full झिंगाट!
You phenomenal on your brother's victory.
नाचना पड़ेगा.
हाँ?
भाई लोग अकेले नाचेंगे, भाई लोग साथ में नाचेंगे.
सिखाएगा.
चलो.
Namaskar, Salam Abu Dhabi. How are you all? Thank you so much, IFA, for this great honor. Right now, I have so many people to thank, but more than that, Baba, thank you so much for being here, for doing everything that you do for me. I'm your little daughter still, because I still hold his hand and come everywhere. And without your presence in my life and your guidance, your continuous support, unending love, I wouldn't be here doing what I do today. Thank you, Pritam Da. Thank you so much for this beautiful song. You have been a big part of my life. Thank you so much for all the wonderful songs. Amitabh ji, thank you so much. Wonderful. Thank you.
Congratulations, Shreya. Big thank you to firstly Leela ma'am for spotting me, Sanjay sir for giving me that opportunity and introducing me to the world in a very different light, and everyone who were involved in Gangubai. Thank you so much. Means a lot. Thank you, and keep rocking, guys.
A very good evening, everyone. And thank you to IFA for recognizing my work, my director, Cookie sir, my co-stars, Apar, Darshan, Maddie sir, for always being there, and my mom
for being a pillar of love and support. Love you, माँ. ये मेरे पापा के लिए. एहसास होता है मुझे अब भी हर पल की आप हैं. भोले से मुस्कुरा कर कहते हुए जिंदगी कुछ कर गुजरने के लिए है. अभी और चल. I love you, Papa. Love you, Bhai. Thank you, Aifa. Thank you, Uki. Thank you, everyone.
Can you hear me? Yes, I can hear myself. But I love you, I love you, I love you, Abu Dhabi. Thank you for having me. Thank you. I believe that my father was one of the greatest actors in the world. And
He was. Absolutely, indeed.
and probably the greatest father in the world. But I think he missed out on one thing, which is giving credit to the woman that made it all possible for him. And that is my mother over there. And Mama, I know this is an emotional event for you because the last time you were here, it was with Baba. But thank you so much. I'm grateful because success would mean nothing to me if you weren't here to witness it. So thank you, and thank you, Aifa, for making it possible. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Babil. Thank you. This win makes our heart so happy. Give it up for all the debutants, ladies and gentlemen.
Shah Rukh for giving a very beautiful introduction for me. I remember the time when I was one of the first one to introduce you into this beautiful film industry.
Thank you.
But you have put me into trouble, you know that?
Why, ma'am?
The problem is, in my constituency, Mathura, there are so many boys who come to me and say, आपने शाहरुख खान को इतना बड़ा स्टार बनाया, अब मुझे भी बनाइए. मैं कहती हूँ, it's not possible. Because he is highly talented और सिर्फ हमने मौका दिया है, but he has worked hard and with full determination and he has come up to this level which you people cannot. They say नहीं, आपके हाथ में जादू है, आप हमें भी बना दीजिए शाहरुख खान, हमें भी बनना है. So now the problem is you will have to come to Mathura, my constituency, and tell all the boys whatever you want to say. You have to give them advice.
हिम्मत जी, मैं तो यही कहूँगा कि आपका आशीर्वाद रहेगा तो सबके सब वो सुपरस्टार बनेंगे. मेरा इसमें कुछ भी करना नहीं था, आपने मुझे ब्रेक दिया इसलिए मैं स्टार बना.
आना पड़ेगा अभी.
मैं आ तो जाऊंगा, मैं तो पहुंच जाऊंगा.
वादा हो गया. I thank Aifa for this incredible honor. It's my privilege to accept this beautiful, outstanding award, which is a reflection of not just my journey, but it's a collective passion of all the people who are involved in this vibrant industry. I feel extremely happy to be representing this beautiful industry, which has given birth to so many film artists in the past and present. And I have made wonderful films with beautiful co-artists and producers, directors, and made a name, fame, and glory for myself. So today I would like to thank my parents, my family, my mentors, and of course, well-wishers, fans, and my gurus and my spiritual gurus who supported me and inspired me to be where I am today. I thank Aifa for believing in me, in my work. I thank Andreji, Viraf, and Sabas for inviting me to this beautiful function. Dhanyavad.
Thank you so much, Hema ji. God bless you.